Hey everybody, Jake McAfee in Fort Wayne, out here at Brookwood Golf Course. It's just on the south side of town by the airport. Let's go ahead and take a tour of this baby. All right, we're out here on the first hole, starting you off with a par 5, 508 from the whites, little dog leg left. Actually, I don't want to kill those guys. Ooh, hang on, baby. A little muddy out here today, so I just want to make sure I get this one up over the tree. Ooh, long. That was long. All right, I went a little long in the approach. Got to hit a flop, kind of short-sided, coming downhill, so it's gonna be a tricky shot. Slow down. You know, not terrible from there. A little left to right. Trying to save par here in the wind. Ah, that's all right. Oh, hang on. What do you think this is doing? It almost looks pretty straight. Man, what the leave. Let's go. All right, I think we're about 160-ish. Got a fly or lie, and just try to hit a smooth 7. Oh! I thought that was going in. All right, let's bring her home. Gotta love a birdie. Oh, come back. Come back. Cart path. Oh boy. I think I'm all right. So Brookwood is a par 72. The tips are a little over 6,700. The whites that I'm playing, a little over 6,300. We've got a crisp fall day. It's sunny. I feel lucky to be out here. All right, so we caught a little bit of cart path here. I think I'm about probably 165. I'm not sure I can get a 6-iron up high enough, but we're certainly gonna try. Oh, draw. Draw. Ooh, short. Got to flop over the hill, but we got a little green to work with. Try to get up and down, save par. All right, let's see if we can save par here. Oh, I pushed it. I felt it right away. Not a bad bogey though. All right, that 5-wood ballooned up on me a bit on this windy day, and I pushed it. Got to get it over yet another tree. Oh no! I think that's OB. I'm gonna hit a provisional. So I think that one went out of bounds. I'm gonna hit a provisional just to be safe, and then let's pray. Not ideal. All right, my first one stayed in. Got a muddy lie though, gotta flop it up over the hill. Let's see what I got here. Sit, sit. Am I on? No? All right, we got our work cut out for us here for par. Try to ignore the train going by. Not bad. Woo! See if we can get up and down, safe par off the hill. Ah! Burnt the edge. Get down. Trap. All right, so if you've been watching these vlogs, you know that we like to get the drone out. Unfortunately, because we're so close to the airport, we weren't able to get it up. Pretty disappointed about that. You know, we got nice fall foliage, the course is looking beautiful, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So, also just a little bit about the course. They have a restaurant here, a bar. They have a 9-hole par 3 course, and they also have a driving range and a practice facility. So it's really, you know, everything, you know, kind of all in one. It's a good little hangout spot. I know a lot of older guys play here and like to get out and then hang out at the restaurant. So just a nice little course. All right, we're here in the fairway on 9. Hit a nice little drive, probably about 180, 185 out. I'm gonna hit a hybrid. Ball's not flying real far today. It's kind of cold. So let's see what we got. Oh no.
That shot.
Bit of a push. All right, push this one a little right. Kind of soggy. Got a little mud ball here, but you got to play it as it lies. Can't be weak about it. Besides, that was yucky. Oh, sit down. Sit. All right. Not terrible, not terrible. All right, we got a little work to do to save par. A little downhill, right to left, not gonna move a ton. Left the last one of these short, so gotta get this one here. When I say right to left, I meant straight as an arrow. All right, in summary, I like this course a lot. It might have something to do with the fact that I actually played well today, shot a 4 over 40, but good conditions, very wet. It's been rainy, you know how fall is in the Midwest. It's been raining quite a bit, but you know, the greens were pretty good speed, medium speed. I'd say medium challenge, like it's not an easy, it's probably on the easier side, but not easy. You know, there's bunkers, there was a few creeks and stuff like that, but there's some hills to it, had some real pretty views. I was so disappointed I couldn't get the drone up, but you know, we did the best we could. So I think this would be good for, you know, good golfers all the way down to starters, you know, people that are just getting into it. You know, I feel like we walked it at a good pace. So if you like what we saw today, we're gonna keep doing these. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, McAfee Media, and until next time,